Welcome students to a quick minute tutorial on how to configure Flowgorithm for use in CXC and NCSE examinations. Flowgorithm is an awesome graphical programming language that you can use to generate flowcharts, trace tables, and actual program code. If you're not already using Flowgorithm, you should be, or at least be using some equivalent solution. However, Flowgorithm has one main drawback out of the box. It does not use the diamond shape for looping as is expected by CXC CAPE and CSEC and also NCSE. Instead, it uses this shape, a sort of diamond shape that's been flattened vertically at both ends. We need to make sure that it uses the diamond shape, also known as a rhombus. We can fix this problem in 4 easy steps. Click on Edit, click on Choose Chart Style, choose Classic from the drop-down list under Chart Style, and click on OK. That's it. There are some other issues that you'll encounter when using Flowgorithm. One issue is very obvious in this video. Did you catch it? I'll give you a hint. It's got something to do with the arrows in the loop. How is it different from the loops used in your CXC textbook? In any case, I'll be covering how to manage this issue and others in another video. Until next time, goodbye.